Hi there, this tutorial video is to help walk you through on how to schedule a counseling appointment with the link that you are given with a specific counselor or with a program that you are affiliated with at PCC. Our scheduling of appointments for counseling is all done through PCC Connect. To access and log into PCC Connect, you can go to the main PCC website, pasadena.edu, go to the login button on the right hand side and hit PCC Connect. You'll be asked to log into your Lancer Point username and password. So whatever your Lancer Point information is, you'll use that to log in. Once you log in, this will be the main page that you see on PCC Connect. If you have a link to your affiliated program, you can click on the link and it should take you to the scheduling appointment page. I'm going to try and see if it works. For this example, I'm using the Honors Program Counseling link. And I get this error message, no problem. In order to troubleshoot this, what I would do is go back onto the dashboard of PCC Connect, and what you can do is go to My Success Network, and under your Success Network you can type Honors, and you'll want to select Honors Program Counseling and then Schedule Appointment, and this is where you would schedule your appointment based on what's available. So these are the available times that are available for you to schedule an appointment. And you will want to select if you want video or phone, and if you have additional information that you like to provide, such as specific questions, concerns, anything related to the appointment, you can type it in this box here so that the counselor that you meet with has more context to what they can help you with based on your needs. And then you'll hit confirm, and you should get an email notification of the appointment being scheduled and a reminder once that appointment comes up. Alright, that's how you would schedule an appointment. Thanks.